And welcome back to the next episode of, is that focused? Can't really tell. Anyway, welcome back to the next episode. We made it to Oregon, and here's Maverick. And now we are on a mission. We are going to see as many waterfalls today as we can, and we will bring you guys along to the different waterfalls that we hit. Hopefully we can hit like, I don't know, 8 to 10 or so. I have no idea, but I think that there's quite a few in this area. And I really don't think that's focused on me. I think it's focused on the background. But anyway, we will take you guys to the falls and show them to you when we get there. First one is called Susan Falls. So Susan Falls should be pretty cool. Made it to the first one. Not a ton of water here. I think it's just this time of year there's not that much water, but still pretty cool. Very green on the sides, so it's kind of neat. It'd be fun to swim in there. I don't know if you can. Probably not supposed to, but that'd be kind of cool. Okay, hiking into the next one now, which is called Fall Creek Falls. So it's only about a half-mile hike in from the trailhead. We'll see you guys when we get there. So there's been a lot of little falls along this trail, like that. Why didn't I focus? I'm hoping that's not what they mean by falls, and that as we keep going there's more. We'll see. Good news, there are some actual falls here, and they are pretty slick. There you go. I think that during heavy rainfall, or I don't know, the right time of year, you get a second fall in that area. So right now it's just kind of a trickle, but still pretty cool. Forgot I was going to show you guys this cool little rock. Hey, let's go. Come on. Cool little rock that we had to squeeze through on the way in. It's not that much of a squeeze, but it's well tight. Okay, I think we are at the right spot for a place called Hemlock Falls. It was quite the drive to get here. Don't know for sure if this is the right trail because there's no real official trailhead for these ones. It's in a campground, and we're now just walking out on a trail from the campground, which seems like it's going in the right direction according to the GPS. We'll see. Nice little spot, totally private. There's no one else here. I think I saw one person staying at the campground, but I'm sure they've already hiked down here, and wow, it's very jungly. With all the moss growing on everything, all the greenery. Then you have these massive trees that just goes way out. Very, very neat spot. There's two more in this area. I don't know if they're the same creek slash river, but 2 more that we had to drive that long road out here. Hoping we can find them. Again, they don't have real trailheads just like this one, so we're gonna kind of wing it, see if we can find something in the area, and then walk towards it GPS wise. But we'll see you guys at the next one. Okay, we finally found a trail in to the woods to get to what's known as Clover Falls, and I can hear some falls down here. And if I keep walking, it sounds like there's also some falls down there. So there's no view from up here that I can find. I don't know if I want to keep going on the trail or just try to find a way down to see them, so. I found the switch. It was not auto-focusing. Now it's a ha-ha! Hi, welcome to the vlog now that we're in focus. There's a switch on the lens that got flipped somehow, probably climbing over rocks. Anyway, we made it. This is a pretty small one. It's Clover Falls. Absolutely no trail to get to it, so we climbed down this, which props to that guy, man. I don't know how he does it. We're going to try and find an easier way by going downstream and then up a little bit. But anyway. Yeah, definitely goes up there higher. Not a whole lot of water. Oh, that's a huge jump. Oh my god. It's long. It's so good. Oh man. Okay, well, I think I know downstream there's some more falls called the Middle Falls, but I think they're going to be smaller than these ones. So I don't think we're going to worry about hitting them. We're just going to try to climb up that hill over there. Not sure how yet, but we're going to get out of this spot, Clover Falls, and go to the next one. I don't know for sure if I'm going to find it yet, so I'll tell you the name if we do find it. Yeah, we'll see you guys at the next one. Alright, I abandoned mission on that last waterfall out in this area. There's still more we're going to try and go to today, but in order to save time trying to find the trail and all that, and I wasn't even sure there would be a trail, I decided to get going again. So we're back on this road, and this is the road I want to show you guys. It's really cool. It's just one lane, so you do have to be careful about people coming the other direction, but it's just slick. I mean, it's paved, and yeah, check it out. Sorry if there's a glare from the windshield and bugs and all that. At least you'll get the idea. It just goes like this for miles and miles and miles. I think I have about 30, no, not anymore, but maybe 20 more miles of this. How cool. Oregon knows how to do it on their forest roads, that's for sure. Sure is a heck of a lot nicer than the washboarded, rocky crap that we have out in Colorado. Anyway, we'll catch up with you guys at the next spot. I'm not sure what the name of it is. I haven't looked yet. That last one that I couldn't find, I told you I'd tell you the name. If I did find it, well, I'll tell you anyway. It was Yasco Falls. So if anybody from Oregon knows how to get there, yeah, maybe put that in the comments so other people can find it if they come out this way. Alright, we'll see you guys at the next one. Okay, we are at the trailhead for the next one, which is called Toketee Falls. I believe that's how you pronounce it. Don't really have a clue. But it's super crowded, so I am not going to be that guy that talks to the camera at the falls. So I'll take the camera and get some shots while we're there. But yeah, we'll show you guys when we get to the end, but I'm not going to be talking anyway. You understand. So, oh, people getting into the Jeep next to us. Anyway, we're going to hit the trail and we will show you guys the falls, and then we'll talk to you after. Okay, so the general public pretty much stays up there. There's a viewing point up there, somewhere up there. But there was like a rope that you could climb down. And so It was tough getting him down, but we took off this stuff. I'm gonna go freaking swim. Look at this. This is awesome. I'm sure it's freaking freezing, but hey, let's swim. Well, that was good enough. Whoa, no. Hey. Okay, the next one on our list is called Watson Falls. We walked from the trailhead to this branch. There's a little bit of falls here. A little bit of falls here. So anyway, we're on this log that kind of crosses the creek. I don't know if this is the falls or not, so we're going to go back out and then try and go up the road a little bit and see if there's a better falls than because compared to everything else we've seen that's labeled a falls, it should be a little bit better, so we'll see. I'll let you know. So we missed on the lens. So anyway, we made it to Watson Falls. Maverick climbed up here to these boulders. It's not really a good pool to swim in here, but really neat. Okay, the next ones are a little far away, so we're gonna have to go for a drive and try to find them, but we will see you guys at the next ones. Oh, that is dark. You can't hardly see me. Anyway, we have made it to our final falls for the day. Because I'm exhausted, Maverick's tired. I could tell he was walking a little slower on the way back from the last one, and slept in the van, pretty hardcore, knocked out as soon as we got in. So we're parked here. The other reason is because this is a campsite. So you're allowed to camp here, which means I'm not moving. So we're gonna go hike down to this one. It is called Lemolo Falls. Lemolo. Here, I'll show you the sign, and you can be the judge. What? Lemolo Falls. Who knows? Anyway, see if I can get Maverick to come. And we're gonna hike down here. This is the second trailhead for this, which is supposed to be closer to the falls. There's one that's further back that you can't camp at. That it makes it a longer hike. So hopefully this one nice and easy. And then we'll head back, cook up some food, have some dinner, get some water, and call it a night. Maybe edit this video. I don't know. It won't go up today. I can guarantee you that. But all right, we'll see you at the falls. Oh, a little mist on the screen. It's misting over here. Uh-oh, there we go. Hopefully, oh boy. Hopefully it's not too blurry, but Lemolo Falls. I think that's, oh, there, that's water. Nice little hike down. I don't know. Oop, almost falling on these rocks. Mile or so, maybe a little longer. Now we're drinking some water. I'm gonna Drink some water too. See if we can get out to that little rock. I don't know, it'll be iffy because we get wind every once in a while, but this place is just gorgeous. Wow. We'll be hike down here again tomorrow morning. Okay, that is gonna do it for this one. We're gonna hike out of here. It was pretty much downhill the whole way, so nice little uphill from here. If you guys have been wondering about the shirt I've been wearing, that's right, Hefty Lefty Club Works. That is a friend of mine, JP, based out of Kentucky. If you need any of your golf clubs tweaked, changed, you want new clubs, he's your man. That guy can put together some fantastic stuff. He put a couple wedges together for me, driver, and a putter. All of them, best clubs in my bag. So he will be making my next set of irons. Anyway, I don't get anything from that. He's just an all-around good dude and sent me this shirt. Figure you guys might wonder what it was. So check him out. Hefty Lefty Club Works. He will work across the nation, not just Kentucky. He can send clubs anywhere. So anyway, all right guys, thanks for watching this one. I'll see you on the next one. Not sure what it'll be yet, but appreciate it. See you then.